This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take care of your rubber plant. First, let's talk about light. Your rubber plant loves bright, indirect light. Think of a spot near a window that gets plenty of ambient brightness but avoids harsh, direct sun, especially in the afternoon. Too much direct sunlight can actually burn its leaves, causing unsightly brown spots. An east-facing window is often a perfect choice, providing gentle morning sun and bright, indirect light throughout the day for healthy growth. Next, let's discuss watering and humidity, which are crucial for your rubber plant's well-being. You should water your plant thoroughly when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry to the touch. Always ensure your pot has excellent drainage to prevent waterlogging, which can lead to root rot. Rubber plants also appreciate high humidity. You can increase humidity by misting their leaves regularly or by placing the pot on a tray filled with pebbles and a little water, creating a humid microclimate around the plant. Now, let's talk about the right soil and how to fertilize your rubber plant. It's essential to use a well-draining potting mix. A good option is a standard houseplant mix amended with extra perlite or orchid bark to improve aeration and drainage, preventing soggy roots. During the active growing season, typically spring and summer, fertilize your plant every 2 to 4 weeks. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer, but always dilute it to half the recommended strength to avoid over-fertilization and potential root burn. Finally, let's cover pruning and pest control to keep your rubber plant looking its best. Pruning helps maintain its desired shape and encourages a bushier growth habit. Regularly wipe down the large, glossy leaves with a damp cloth. This not only keeps them shiny, but also allows you to inspect for common pests like spider mites or mealybugs. If you spot any infestations, treat them promptly using an organic solution, such as neem oil or a gentle insecticidal soap to protect your plant's health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.